big fix is coming to infrastructure in central Mississippi. We're excited to announce a major improvement project along the I-20 and I-55 corridors in Hinds and Rankin Counties, a critical investment into one of the most heavily traveled portions of roadway in Mississippi. Here are the improvements you can expect to see on these 60-plus-year-old interstate corridors.
The rehabilitation and modernization of 36 bridges that will strengthen and extend their lifespans.
The resurfacing and repair of over 30 miles of interstate highway corridors, which means a smoother and safer drive for us all. The installation of intelligent transportation systems that will improve traffic flow, safety, and real-time communication. In addition to modernizing the most heavily traveled corridor in central Mississippi, this massive 2.5-year-long improvement project will reduce travel delays and make these bustling routes safer for everyone, whether you're commuting to work, moving goods and services, or traveling across the state. Now we know what you're thinking. How is this going to impact traffic? This year, to minimize traffic disruptions, most closures are expected to occur at night and on weekends. However, 2 full interstate closures are anticipated, with one in 2027 and then another in 2028. We understand that construction can bring temporary inconveniences, but the long-term benefits will be worth it tenfold. Safer roads for future generations, improved reliability, and a stronger transportation network for our communities. Safety is MDOT's top priority. Improvements like widened shoulders, rehabilitated bridges, road overlays, and intelligent transportation system implementation will enhance reliability, reduce maintenance disruptions, and provide a safer, more efficient driving experience.
Work is expected to begin later this fall.
You can stay looped in on progress, lane closures, and other impacts to travel at gomdot.com/thebigfix. You can also view real-time traffic conditions across Mississippi by downloading the MDOT Traffic app and by visiting mdottraffic.com. And as always, follow @MississippiDOT on social media for more information. Throughout the life of this project, it's imperative that we exercise safe driving habits. Please slow down, pay attention to warning signs, and eliminate distracted drivings like cell phones in our work zones. Stay tuned for updates as we move forward on this generational infrastructure improvement project. We appreciate your patience as we build a better Mississippi.